How to become a Deliveroo delivery writer or even make a Deliveroo delivery account. The first things first, before you go deep and apply an account, make sure that you have these requirements. First off, you need to have a scooter, a bike, a cargo bicycle, or even a car. And of course, you also need to have a driver's license and insurance. Make sure to have a safety equipment, a smartphone with iOS 13.6, Android 6 or above. And you also need to have a proof of your right to work self-employed in the UK and age 18 plus. Now, for you to be able to get here, just simply use any preferred web browser on your end, and then just simply type in Deliveroo Rider or Deliveroo Delivery. Once you're there, all you have to do is just to choose on a specific link that will redirect you to Deliveroo's official site. And once you're on the website, all you have to do next is just to click this apply now and just simply input necessary details that will be asked from this platform right here, and as well as uploading your identification card of your driver's license. And that is it. That's how you make an account with Deliveroo Delivery.